Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I have here CVS best deals for the week of June the 5th. They are going to be good all the way until June the 11th. So you have until Saturday to do these deals if you are interested in them. Now, just like last week, I'm a little bit iffy on these deals, but the ones I shared I feel like are pretty good deals. So let's go ahead and start with a video with a pretty good deal if you need shampoo. The Garnier Fructis is going to be on promotion. When you buy two, you're going to get 2 extra care bucks, and they're going to be on sale 2 for $7 or $3.99 each. So we're going to go ahead and pick up some shampoo or conditioner. You can mix and match or get 2 of each. The limit is 1. I forgot to say that it is a limit of 1. So like I said, they are priced 2 for $7. Buy 2, get 2 extra care bucks. So we're going to pick 2 of these up for $7, and we are going to be using a 3 off of 2 manufacturer coupon that came out in the 6-5 save. So 2 for $7, we're going to use that $3 manufacturer coupon. Everything's going to come down to paying $4. We are going to get 2 extra care bucks. So after the 2 extra care bucks, these are going to be $2 or just $1 each. A good deal we have on deodorant this week is going to be on the Dove GDRIJXT deodorant. When you buy 1, you're going to get 1 half off. And on promotion, when you buy 2, you're going to get 5 extra care bucks with a limit of 1. So the women's deodorant also qualifies, but I feel like these are a little bit cheaper here at my store. So I'm going to go ahead and pick 2 of these up. Like I said, they are buy 1, get 1 half off. So here at my store, they are priced at $7.99. The other one is going to be half off for $3.99, coming to a total of $11.98. We are going to use this 5 off of 2 degree Dove manufacturer coupon that came out in the 6-5 save. So $11.98 minus that 5 off manufacturer coupon, it's going to come down to paying $6.98. But we are going to get a 5 extra care bucks, so paying $6.98 but getting back 5. So after the 5 extra care bucks, it's like we are paying $1.98 or only 99 cents for each one, which I think is a pretty good deal on men's deodorant. Like I said, you can also pick up the women's deodorant, but the men's deodorant here at my store is a little bit cheaper, so just pick up whatever you need. So again, this week we have the deal when you spend $45, you're going to get 15 extra care bucks, and when you spend $30, you're going to get 10 extra care bucks. So if you're interested in any of these deals, like to spend $45 or spend $30, make sure you reach at least $30 or at least $45. You cannot be under, or you will not get the extra care bucks. So I'm going to give you 2 scenarios. The first one, we are going to pick up some Huggies diapers. They are on sale this week, 2 for $22. So I'm going to pick up the little swimmers, and I'm going to pick up some pull-ups. I'm going to pick 2 of these up for 2 for $23. Now for the little swimmers, we do have a digital coupon for $2.50. And then for the purple pull-ups, we do have a $3 digital coupon that we can use. These are digitally. And to finish off the deal, I'm only going to be doing the spend 30, get 10. I'm going to pick up some Dove men's body wash. It is on sale for $7.99 this week. So here is everything we have. We have the Huggies diapers, 2 for $23, and we have the body wash for $7.99. Before coupons, it's going to come out to $30.99. I am going to be using this save $7 when you spend $30. I will show you how you can get these type of coupons towards the end of the video. And then for the little swimmers, I have the $2.50 digital, and then for the pull-ups, the $3 digital. And then for the men body wash, that's priced at $7.99. I'm going to be using one of these manufacturer coupons for $2 that came out in the 6-5 Retail Me Not. So $30.99 minus that 7 off 30, the $3 digital, the $2.50 digital, and then the $2 manufacturer coupon. Everything's going to come down to paying $16.49. But I am going to get back 10 extra care bucks, and I'm also going to submit my receipt to Fetch Rewards for $1.50 back on the little swimmer. So at CVS in store, we are going to be paying $16.49, but we are going to get back 10 extra care bucks and then submitting a receipt back for $1.50 on Fetch. So after the 10 extra care bucks and the $1.50 on Fetch, these are going to come down to only $4.99. or only $1.66 each. So for diapers and for some Dove body wash, I feel like $1.66 is a pretty good deal. Now, if you don't have Fetch rewards yet and you want to use my referral code, I will greatly appreciate it. I will leave it here on screen, and I will also leave it in the description box, so you can go ahead and click the link and download Fetch rewards, and you will get back 2,000 points or $2 when you scan your first receipt. So for another option number 2 on the spend 30 get 10, we are going to be getting some laundry detergent. In case you don't need the diapers, I will show you another example. Remember, the limit is 1. So I'm going to pick up some Tide, the Tide Pods and the Tide detergent. These are priced at $12.99 each. We're going to pick up one of each. And then we are going to pick up some Downy. You can pick up the Unstoppables or the fabric softener. That's priced at $6.99. So here is everything we have. It's the big Tide detergent for $12.99, and the Tide Pods for $12.99, and the Downy for $6.99. For the 2 Tides, we are going to be getting some digital coupons, so make sure you clip those $2 digitals. And then for the Downy, we are supposed to get a $1 digital, so go ahead and clip that as well. So before coupons, everything's going to come up to $32.97. But for this example as well, I am going to be using that save $7 on your $30 purchase. And then I am going to use a $2 digital for each of the Tide, so $4 there, and then the $1 for the Downy. So $32.97 minus the 7 off 30, the $2 digital, the other $2 digital, and then the $1 digital for the Downy. Everything is going to come down to paying $20.97, but we are going to get 10 extra care bucks back. So paying $20.97, getting back 10, it's like we are paying $10.97 for these items, or only $3.65, which I think is a pretty good deal. So we are towards the end of the video. So like I said, I promise you guys I will show you how you can get the coupons, like the spend 30 save 7, or the spend 30 save $6. So all you have to do is, as you can see on the top of the screen, the number 397473, you're going to send a message to that number, a text message with the word extra. So the words extra to 397473, you're going to text the word extra. That's all you have to do, and you're going to start receiving these type of coupons, like the spend 10 save 3 on cosmetics, the 40% off for one item, or the spend 30 save 7. So if you're not signed up already, all you have to do is, like I said, text the word extra to that number that you see on there at the top, and you will start receiving these type of coupons, so you can save a little bit of extra money. Remember, couponing, you have to save as much as you can. So thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you in my next one. Bye.